Some guys just have all the luck. They are super rich, super athletic, and because of that, get the best looking women. This video is devoted to those couples. Here we take a look at NBA stars who have beautiful and famous wives.
Number 10. Larsa Pippen and Scottie Pippen. Scottie Pippen is an American former professional basketball player. He played 17 seasons in the National Basketball Association, winning 6 NBA championships with the Chicago Bulls. He has also landed one of the NBA's hottest wives ever, Larsa Pippen. Larsa Pippen is not your average beauty, she has brains too. She started her own website about fitness, fashion and beauty and has become one of the biggest reality TV star of the last few years. They first met in 1995. 2 years later, Scottie and Larsa got married in the 20th of July 1997. Scottie and Larsa were married for 24 years and had 4 children together. Scottie Jr., 20 years old, Preston, 18 years old, Justin, 18 years old, and Sophia, 12 years old. Number 9. Chris Paul and Jada Cowley. Christopher Emmanuel Paul is an American professional basketball player for the Phoenix Suns of the National Basketball Association, and his wife Jada is an entrepreneur and fashion designer. Jada Cowley was attending Wake Forest University when she met Chris Paul, the star basketball player for Demons Dragons. They dated for the next few years until they finally got married in 10th of September 2011. Stand-up couple indeed, the two welcomed their first child, Sean Christopher Emmanuel Paul II, in May 2009. Their daughter Cameron Alexis Paul was born on August 16, 2012. Number 8. Jason Kidd and Ursula Clement. Jason Frederick Kidd is an American professional basketball coach and former player who has assistant coach for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. And his wife Ursula Clement is a multi-talented African-American celebrity and former model who hit stardom at an early age in her life. Shortly before he retired, he started dating supermodel Ursula Clement, and the two were married in 10 September 2011. They have 3 children, first child a boy named Chance before their wedding in 2010. Then a girl named Noah Grace, born in 2012. A girl named Cooper Annie, born in 2017.
Number 7. Al Horford and Emilio Vega. Alfred Joel Horford Renezo is a Dominican professional basketball player for the Oklahoma City Thunder of the National Basketball Association. And his wife Emilio Vega Polanco is a Dominican model, actress, author, singer, and beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Universe 2003, the first ever Dominican to become Miss Universe at the age of 18. Horford and Vega met in Boston during the Latin Pride Awards over a decade ago. Horford played for the Atlanta Hawks at the time on December 24, 2011 at a surprise wedding disguised as a regular party. The couple got married at Vega's uncle home in the Dominican Republic. They have 4 children together. Their son Ian was born in 2015. Their second child, daughter Alia, was born in 2016. Second baby girl Evelyn born 2018. The fourth child, the girl Nova, in 2021. Number 6. Doug Christie and Jackie Christie. Douglas Dale Christie is an American retired professional basketball player who played 15 seasons in the National Basketball Association. And his wife Jackie Christie is a producer and actress. Jackie and Dog got hooked up by a man named Stevie P, who went to high school with Dog and knew Jackie from her early forays into fashion modeling. They married in 8th of July 1996. The beautiful couple have 2 children together, daughter Chantal Christie born in 1993 and son Douglas Christie Jr. Number 5. Dwyane Wade and Gabrielle Union. Dwyane Wade is an American former professional basketball player, and his wife Gabrielle Union is an American actress, voice artist, activist, and author. The NBA is all about the power, and when it comes down to it, Wade and Gabby are quite possibly the hottest and most powerful duo in sports. Not just the NBA. That's right, we mean all across the professional sports. Gabrielle Union and Dwyane Wade first met at a Super Bowl party in 2007, but didn't actually go public as a couple for another 2 years. Dwyane, with the help of his children, proposed to Gabby on December 12, 2013 with a glamoring 8.5 carat cash and card diamond. They married in 30 of August 2014. Dwyane Wade and Gabrielle Union welcomed their first child together, a daughter named Kavia, born in 2018. Number 4. Kobe and Vanessa Bryant. Kobe Bryant was an American professional basketball player, a shooting guard. He spent his entire 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers in the National Basketball Association. Kobe and Vanessa first met on the set of a music video in 1999. When Kobe was 20 and Vanessa was 17, the basketball star proposed to Vanessa after she turned 18, and the pair tied the knot on April 18, 2001. The relationship between Kobe Bryant and his wife Vanessa, who spanned more than 2 decades, came to tragic end on January 26, 2020, when the NBA legend died in a helicopter crash outside of Los Angeles. He was just 41. They went on to welcome 4 children together: daughter Natalia, 18 years old, Bianca, 4 years old, Capri, 1 year, as well as 13 years old Gianna, who died alongside her father in the January 26 helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. Number 3. Stephen and Ayesha Curry. Stephen Curry II is an American professional basketball player for the Golden State Warriors, and his wife Ayesha Curry is a Canadian-American actress, cookbook author, and cooking television personality. Steve and Ayesha actually met when they were both just teenagers. They had attended the same church with nothing more in common than the fact that they both had big dreams of one day leaving their hometown of Charlotte, North Carolina, and becoming famous. They married in the 30th of July 2011. Ayesha and Steve have 3 kids. In 2012, they welcomed their first daughter, Riley. They welcomed their youngest daughter, Ryan, into the world in 2015, and their newest addition, a son named Cannon, was born in 2018. Number 2. Carmelo and Lala Anthony. Carmelo Anthony is an American professional basketball player for the Portland Trail Blazers for the National Basketball Association, and his wife Lala Anthony is an American television personality, New York Times best-selling author, businesswoman, producer, and actress. Lala and Carmelo Anthony first met in 2003. After only dating for a few months, the couple got engaged in 2004. In 2007, they welcomed a son named Kian, and then 3 years later, after being engaged for almost 7 years, the couple finally tied the knot 10th of July 2010. Number 1. LeBron and Savannah James. LeBron is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers, and his wife Savannah James is an American philanthropist and entrepreneur. They met in 2002. While in high school, James was a rising superstar in basketball and football at St. Mary High School in his hometown of Akron, Ohio. When he met Savannah Brinson, a cheerleader and softball player from a rival school, he asked then 16-year-old to a basketball games, and she agreed. LeBron James and Savannah Brinson have been together for 2 decades. The Lakers star and his wife have 3 children. In 2004, Savannah gave birth to their firstborn son, Bronny. Nearly 3 years later, in 2007, the couple welcomed another boy, Bryce Maximus. After a decade together, LeBron got on one knee and proposed to his high school sweetheart on New Year's Eve 2011. They married in 14 September 2013. After marriage, they welcomed their cutest daughter, Julie James, in 2014.